Hello business owner. Today I'm going to talking about what is better for your businesses. Is that Google Ads or Facebook Ads? So Google Ads is the intent-based ads, and Facebook is ads is interest-based ads. So what does it mean? Uh, if some customers search on the Google uh, plumber in Narami, then he is very interested, and his intent is very clear. He wants that plumber services in nearby. That's why that means clients want the plumbing service nearby, and um, his buying intent is very clear, and also he is this service is very necessary. So that Google Ads normally provide very high intent type of clients who are very desperate to buy. On other hands, we want to if we want to go Facebook ads, then we have to understand why people comes on the Facebook. So Facebook is a social media, and people comes here for entertain him or herself. And another thing is he just scroll down. So we have to. They do not come here for buy something. So as a marketer, we have to convince him for buying any product and services. So Facebook, that's why Facebook ads based on interested base. So that's why Google Ads can get very hot audience, and who if any businessman wants calls and leads which are emergency types of services, um, Google Ads do better for this type of business. And on the other hand, Facebook Ads is better for those type of brands who are just start, who wants to making a brand awareness, and also make a knows his brand everyone. Then Facebook ads is better. Facebook ads provide cool type of audience, make them arm. So Facebook ads is also very necessary. As a marketer, I suggest you try both of this, because both one is very essential for your businesses. So, thank you.